John. I loved his wit. I loved his intellectual capabilities and ability. And he was, right away, you'd tell he was the leader.
A new future is coming into view, one that cities around the world are building. It's a future your city can build too.
I'm not trying to go mad and cut too much depth off these horses, but we've got to get them back.
This material is an enhanced version of the MTA Plus products with greater radio opacity.
Really? So Snickers has come up with some great ideas too for future webisodes. Okay, she's asked me.
The Florida House is absolutely amazing. I'm Cliche Allen, 5th grade teacher at Emma Booker Elementary School, and I love the Florida House.
The water is rising. We can't see the horizon. We need to start synchronizing.
It produces suckers from the roots and can form thickets. This is an older, larger China berry, and it tends to have furrowed bark.
Where have all the mangroves gone? Long time passing.
They all started to sing, "I'm a Yankee Doodle Dandy." It was so much fun.